For generations, humans have believed one thing about dentistry. Once adult teeth are lost, they are gone forever. Dentists offered solutions like dentures, bridges, and implants, but none of these replaced a tooth naturally. Today, that belief is being challenged as scientists move closer to a medical breakthrough that may allow humans to regrow teeth. The idea of regrowing teeth may sound like science fiction, but it is now grounded in real biological research. Scientists have discovered that humans already possess the genetic ability to regrow teeth. This ability is not missing, it is simply turned off. Understanding how to switch it back on has become one of the most exciting areas of regenerative medicine. At the center of this research is a protein called USAG1. This protein plays a critical role during early development by suppressing extra tooth growth after childhood. Humans form multiple tooth buds, but only 2 sets of teeth are allowed to develop. The remaining potential teeth are blocked by biological signals. Scientists realized that if this suppression could be safely disabled, the body might naturally regrow teeth. Japanese researchers developed an experimental drug designed to neutralize USAG1. When tested on animals such as mice and ferrets, the results were extraordinary. These animals successfully regrew fully functional teeth, including enamel, roots, nerves, and blood vessels. The teeth were not artificial structures. They were living biological teeth integrated into the jaw. Encouraged by these results, scientists have now begun human clinical trials. The initial trials focus on individuals born with missing teeth, allowing researchers to study controlled tooth regrowth without interference from existing teeth. Advanced imaging technologies such as CT scans and dental X-rays are used to monitor progress closely. What makes this approach revolutionary is that it does not rely on implants, stem cell transplants, or genetic modification. The treatment works by activating the body's natural regeneration system. Instead of replacing a tooth, the body grows its own. If successful, this technology could completely transform dentistry. Dental implants, while effective, are artificial and come with risks such as infection, bone loss, and long-term failure. A tooth that the body regrows naturally would adapt, repair itself, and function like a real tooth for life. Experts believe that if trials continue to show positive results, treatments that allow people to regrow teeth could become available within the next decade. This would represent one of the biggest medical breakthroughs of the century. Beyond dentistry, the implications are enormous. Teeth are complex organs. If scientists can safely regenerate teeth, similar approaches could be used for bones, cartilage, and possibly even organs. Regrowing teeth may be only the beginning of a much larger medical revolution. The future of medicine may no longer focus on replacing damaged body parts, but on helping the body heal itself. And the ability to regrow teeth could be the first major proof that this future has arrived.